Hi, today I'm going to go over the basic concept of derivatives. So first we have this following graph right here. This kind of looks like a sine curve. It could be any curve. And let's say we want to find the slope between two different points. So this point and this point right here. So the formula that we would use to do that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that's super easy. We could plug it in. We could plug in the values of the points. So let's say this is x1, y1, x2, y2. We plug in the points and boom, we get the slope. Pretty easy peasy. But let's say those 2 points are a little bit closer. Let's say the points are over here. Now, the line looks more like this, a little bit more like that. Let me redraw it. The line looks a little bit more like that. But let's say that the points are so close, it's practically just 1 point. So, we can try and visualize that. So, if we wanted to find the slope of 1 point on a curve, the slope of a curve at 1 point, if we try and plug that into this equation, what we get, let's say it's the point 1, 1. I'm going to use the color white. Let's say the point is 1, 1. What we do is we clearly see we get 0 over 0. That's indeterminate. That's undefined. That makes no sense. So how can you find the slope of a line or a slope of a curve at 1 point? How do you do that? Well, that's what a derivative is. So a derivative is essentially the slope of a curve at any given point. Basically, the concept is the distance between 2 points shrinks and shrinks until it becomes 1 point. And that is what a derivative is. So you're going to see this formula a lot in the future. F prime at x. This is an apostrophe. That is your derivative. This is f prime at x is your derivative of f at x. So we would write limit as h, some constant h approaches 0, f at x plus h minus f at x over, and then it would be x plus h minus x. The x's cancel out, and then we're left with just h. So this formula is what you're going to be using first to calculate some basic derivatives, because the concept of this is you have two different points, x at y, some y value, and then x plus h at some second y value. And the value of h decreases until it eventually equals 0. So h is like adding distance between 2 points, and that distance approaches 0 until it's basically 1 point. So in the future, you're going to be evaluating different basic limits using this equation. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.